Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants. We're rocking a video today showing the 205 SA running under power. Go ahead, Frank, let's see what you got. Come again, sir?
298.
That's 298 RPM. Speaking of the RPMs, we range from 25 to 1500 on this dial type speed changer.
670.
That's 670 RPM. Let's pull this card out of the way and then bring that light up just a little bit, Jerry.
1150.
It's 1150 RPM. Okay, this machine takes up 6 foot front to back, 6 foot left to right. It's currently wired at 220 volts.
1500.
That's 1500 RPM. That's nice, isn't it? Yeah. So what we're running here is a number 40 Arbor. It happens to be 3/4 inch diameter, and that's running off this Arbor support bracket here that has a 3/4 inch hole. So the machine comes with 2 Arbors, 2 Arbor support brackets, and that really cool vertical head attachment. All right, let's run some feeds. We'll run some rapids. That was top RPM, 1500 RPM. We've completely gone through and checked out this machine from tip to stern. The gearboxes, the feed boxes. I'll show you the oil sight glass in just a minute. All the electrics have been gone through and checked out. Okay, on your left, Frank. I know I've asked you this before, but what is that feed range? Okay, there's 16 feeds ranging from 1/4 to 32 IPM. 29, 12, 18. 29 inches of longitudinal travel, 12 across, 18 on the knee. You know, a really good sign is the fact that we're seeing this oil leaking down. So one thing that we emphasize on is the oiling system here at Machinery Consultants. We go through all the electricals, we go through the oiling system, we go through the mechanics of the machine. What you're seeing here is the oil leaking down right here on the underside of the saddle. That's a great sign. Additionally, we like to point out the sight glass. So note, at minute 3.30, we're showing the sight glass of the main gearbox on the spindle. Cool. Built-in coolant system with the flood base. Okay, we talked about the original flaking on the saddle. Here it is on the crossway. These dials are in absolutely terrific shape. Okay, the last thing we'd like to point out on this machine is the fact that it has really, really clean electricals. Do the lighting. Bring your lighting around. Oh, no, never mind. Perfect, Frank, sorry. Open up your doors. I'd like to point out the electrical system and then just the motor cavity. Sorry, man. Okay, so it's all right. Ready for light. Perfect, Gary. New belts, new bearings on the motor, all checked out, refurbished. Beautiful, good to go. Okay, hand the light back to you. All right, Cutler hammer, Allen Bradley, all American made electrics inside the electrical panel. Okay, lose the light. Thank you. So it's all off the shelf type components. Again, it's currently wired at 220 volts, 3-phase. Okay, clear on the electrics. So let us know. We can send you over a quote on this machine. It'll also list out the tooling that comes with it. It's a real nice little package on a 205 SA. Sharp little horizontal number 2 milling machine. Well, until next time, we look forward to talking to you. A couple different ways to get a hold of us. There's the website at machineryconsultants.com. Additionally, you can hit us up at the email of mci@machineryconsultants.com.
We hit the frame.
You got a lot, little. Friday afternoon, we're struggling with this video. That's mci@machineryconsultants.com. Our phone number will be right advantage at 801-531-9500. We look forward to hearing you through several different methods. So until next time, be happy to be healthy. Thanks again. Have a great day. Machinery Consultants, Salt Lake City, Utah. Stock number 2022-0601. Thanks again. Peace.